special way, let me thank Kelly of the office of our most distinguished senator of the United States of America. Kelly is the Deputy Chief of Staff. I thank you and thank your colleague for coming and staying with us. And I think the relationship has started. So we will always engage you in the office in all the activities we will be planning. So I want to thank everybody that is here today. The Redeemed Church team, all of you are great. The members of the Newark African Commission, the City of Newark, and most especially the NIDO. NIDO President is here, Abdullahi Dauda, the NIDO President. We thank you for coming and being committed to what we are doing. Once again, we want to pray that our guests will be back safely. The underlying statement there is that they must be back safely and to meet their families, and we are missing them a lot. So we want the guests to be back. In a short form, I would like to thank every one of you for coming and hoping that this voice we're adding to this movement today will continue until our guests are back. Thank you. Bring back, tap tap, bring back. Now, I like you down there from Nadu, just a